Want to know the top US area to buy a vacation rental home? In short, it's the Panhandle. Welcome back to the YouTube channel, Bay Real Experts. I'm Sean Casilli with Coldwell Banker Realty here in Panama City Beach, Florida. And this channel is all about educating you on the real estate market so your next move can be smart. All right, you guys, let's jump straight into this topic of out of everywhere in the United States, what is the best area to buy a vacation rental home? So there was actually a report done by Weiss Analytics. Let me read you the sub headline. This is powerful for us, especially hyperlocally here in Panama City Beach. It says, Florida's Panhandle offers the best returns on vacation home investments in the US, while Siesta Key and Miami Beach Metro also made the top 20 list. So the report goes on to note that there's been a dramatic shift in drive-to destinations, specifically those that are within 2 to 5 hours from major metropolitan areas. I think this is probably due to COVID. The Panhandle's always been a destination city. If you've not listened to country music, you may not have heard of Panama City Beach before, but there's a reason why there are lyrics such as Right Down the Road and Paradise to Me. If you haven't heard of Panama City Beach, check out this video here where we show some of the cool things you can do here. But back to the report. So this is the 5th annual report that Weiss Analytics has done on the best return on investment properties for vacation homes. And the baseline that they set is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, standalone rental home based on short-term rental potential, cost to acquire, annual appreciation, and projected changes in asset value. If you still don't know where the Panhandle is, there it is. But let me drill down for you on Panama City Beach. Overall, the report found that Florida's Panhandle is the top vacation home investment area in the US. I'm gonna leave a link below, you guys, so if you wanna check out the top 20 cities that scored as the best vacation home rental cities, the Panhandle was at number 1 with an index score of 98.7. That's not a temperature reading. That is the best score. Florida Panhandle got into the number 1 position. My personal favorite and why I live here is Panama City Beach, Florida. So if you guys want to check out more of Panama City Beach, do check out this video of the cool things that you can do here in Panama City Beach. And if you have property you need to buy or sell here, please give me a call. I would love to help you with that. My contact information is below. And in the meantime, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay positive, you guys. I will catch you on the next one. Bye for now.